here on Stevens 7-liter. Oh yes. Getting ready to prime and paint our engine. Freshly rebuilt by Brian and Fred over at IMM. This baby is going to be awesome. So, waiting on the hardware kit, which is fine because I like to have all the old hardware in it when I paint it, and then I replace each one individually with a brand new fresh one without paint on it. Gives it a little bit of contrast, makes it look a ton better, and makes it look proper. So that's the game plan, because we have all new hardware coming. It's gonna be great. 2 coats of primer. Needs probably one more. That's looking good.